Okay, so here is the puffy eggs. These are really good. And then what I do is I put a liberal amount of salsa on my puffy eggs. Just to let you know, this would be a great, great burrito. Just, okay, how I did this was I have 4 eggs, a little milk. I melted a little margarine in a pan. I put the eggs in and I added a few sun-dried tomatoes and some cheese and I covered the eggs. Okay, now let me taste these and I will tell you. Plus I want to show you, I want to demonstrate to you. Okay, here's a puffy egg. See how puffy the eggs are? My puffy eggs are hot. Okay, puffy eggs. God bless you all.